But you've been blamed by the NPA as the one behind the operations daw that are not supportive of the peace process. Citing
Oh my
your
golly.
record as...
Did they forget that Secretary Duresa recommended me to become his successor as
Peace advisor, do not forget.
the peace advisor on the peace process?
A paradigm shift.
Siguro mali sila ng tingin na ang sundalo ay hindi naniniwala sa kapayapaan.
Sir, the talks
Kami
will proceed.
mismo ang mauuna na gustong makamtan ang kapayapaan. So, to blame us for the breakdown of the peace process would be probably diverting the blame. Unang-una, sino ba naman ang mga may maraming violation na ano? Kasi ang gusto naman nila, they want to say that they're in control of so much areas and therefore the armed forces should not be there. Liwanagin natin yun dahil ang armed forces is the legal armed force that should be all over the Philippines.
Sir, talks will proceed.
Oh yes, oh yes. Tanungin mo kay Secretary Jess,
You
when he
recommend
was
that
OPAP,
talks will proceed, sir.
when he was OPAP, there were negotiations where we did not have to avail of ceasefires. It also happened during my time. Kaya because gusto namin talaga ng peace.
So, sir, the
Yun ang bottom
February
line, no?
meeting and the April resumption of talks will proceed.
O sabi na nga ni Secretary Jess. Oh.
And-
Kaya dapat talaga dapat
Pero sir, yung reinstatement of ceasefire, is that possible in the near future?
hindi kami atras diyan. Kami nga ang huling magsasabi na pull out kami sa ceasefire.
Through a joint ceasefire deal, sir.
Kami nga ang gusto rin sa bilateral ceasefire.
Thank you, sir.
Nagtataka kami bakit ayaw nila.